the room that I booked. They have a mini fridge, coffee or tea, microwave, and this one they have a very nice desk. Here is the bathroom. It's a single big bed. So this is the bed. So this one is a very nice room and also very spacious and big for 1 or 2 person. Here is a TV, a window where you can see the outside. So this one is my view at my window. It's in the Manila. So this one is a very nice room. Here is the telephone. Very nice and clean. This is the bathroom. See, it's very cute and nice. And then there is another mirror here. Washing area. A towel. It's a complete bathroom. So this one, there is a shower there. There is also soap separate from the washroom. And I like this room because it looks elegant, nice, very spacious. So, ayan. Dito po yung buffet nila. Prado. So, this one, ayan, may dito po siya. Ini mah po siya. Yan.
Tara.